Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a, what am I saying? I am doing an unboxing video, and this is not makeup related, but it is beauty related, and it is for a luxury scent box. I'm unboxing this, and this is from Luxury Scent Box. So what is a luxury scent box? Let me try that again. What is a luxury scent box, you ask? Well, it is a monthly subscription where you get sent travel size perfumes or colognes for men, or if you're a woman that likes to wear cologne, or if you're a man that likes to wear perfume, I mean, whatever. It sends you fragrance. Oh my gosh. It sends you fragrances every month. So it is $15 a month. It is a commitment free, so you are paying every single month and you don't have a contract or anything like that. So if you decide that you want it that month, then you get it that month. And it's only $15 and you have free shipping as well. So what they're sending you is one little travel size scent, and quarterly they send you a reusable like little spritzer thing. And I'll show you all of that. But I just want to give you the dates first. So if this is something that interests you, then there will be a link down in the description box down below, and you can check it out yourself as well. They have an Instagram as well at Luxury Scent Box on the screen. Oh yeah, I think. Hopefully editing Danielle puts it there and doesn't make me look stupid. But yeah, so let's get right into the actual scents as well. So I will say that this was sent to me when I'm talking about, and there is a promo code in it for you. If you are a new member, I get nothing from that. It is $5 off, and it is just Danny Loons. You sign up, you put it in, you'll pay $10. I mean, I don't know. Sounds like a good deal to me if you're into perfumes. If you're not, then maybe you're just trying to find out, more about brands. Maybe you're wanting to get into perfumes. I don't know. Maybe you just like me. But you should definitely check them out if it's something that you're interested in. And so they are, they state that they are, fragrance experts. So you take a little quiz, you tell them what type of perfumes or colognes that you're into and what kind of scents and stuff, and you do this little quiz, and it, generates, and they decide what is the best perfume for you, which I think is really cool. But yes, it was sent to me. Full disclosure, never gonna not tell you anything. So, promo code, I don't get anything from it, you get $5 off. I'm just saying. Okay, so what they have, it is from Designer and Niche Fragrance subscription for men and women, free shipping, and it's month to month, $15 like we talked about earlier. They're a fragrance specialist, and they help you find the perfect scent for you. And sometimes finding a new scent is a difficult process. That is true. When I smell them typically in the store, they all smell the same in my opinion. I gotta walk away and then come back and then just smell the little thingy for weeks after and then think, oh, I should have bought that. Or I like to buy things online. So it's really hard for me to find fragrances that I like online because you can't smell them. You're just going solely based off of notes or other people's recommendations, which can be a tricky game. I had one, I hated it at first, but once it mixed with my skin chemistry, my body chemistry, I ended up liking it. I mean, I got lucky, but I also haven't ordered perfume in a very long time. So if you're one of those gals like me, or guys like me, this is a good way to maybe find new fragrances and not have to have the hassle of it. Somebody does it all for you. So they say that also discovering your scent with a Luxury Scent Box is easy and fun by taking the fragrance survey, which we were talking about as well. I will probably show a little thingy right here. Right here is what the survey looks like. Yeah, you just gotta fill that out. It doesn't take any time at all. So how it works, it is you discovering your scent, or they're helping you discover your scent. So certified fragrance specialist matching you with the perfect scent. So you're creating a profile. That's where you take the short survey to receive fragrance recommendations personally selected for you. I told them some of my favorite absolute ones, which was Viva La Juicy by Juicy Couture. Why can't I remember it? Black Opium by YSL, and Miami Glow by JLo. So those were my 3 favorite that I put in personally, and this is what I got out of it as well. You can choose from those recommendations or browse all fragrances. I have a list apparently today. Build your calendar. So if you put in your calendar that you want a box for the month of March, they will bill you for the month of March and you will get your box. So let's say you also put one in for April, same thing. Let's say though that you skip April and you put May, so you have March and May in your calendar on your profile. That is when they will bill you. They wouldn't bill you in April. You see what I mean? Like, you set your own schedule of when you want them. No commitment, 100% up to you. And then get yours monthly. So you would receive it, a travel size spray with the choice of fragrance as part of your monthly consultation. Consolation? Yeah. So what would a member receive monthly? Luxurious travel size fragrance spray, which is 0.3 ounces. So it's also going to be, is it FDA? No, is that for food? Airplanes. You'd be able to take it on the airplane without, having to check a bag or anything like that, because it is friendly. Travel size, girl. Or you wouldn't have to take like your nice luxurious bottles with you. You just have a little thing to put in your purse or to take on like a weekend little getaway, and you don't have to take like the whole bulky thing and be afraid you're gonna break it, because I got those fears all the time, girl. They have choose from hundreds of 100% authentic designer and niche fragrances, and the first month would include the case, and then you get another case quarterly, and that's the reusable thing. I will show you all that I still wear. So it is one of the largest travel size available in a fragrance subscription. So I'm sure that there are other subscriptions where they aren't offering you the travel size friendly ones. They're offering you like the bigger ones, or the ones that are kind of bulky, or just not really travel friendly. They have the highest, luxury scent box has the highest number of travel size friendly perfumes, fragrances, colognes, whatever you want to call it. So again, $15 a month, free shipping, month to month, no contract, no commitment. To me, that sounds really nice. So with that, they also have this premium one where it's $18 a month. Everything's exactly the same. It's just a few dollars more because the scents are more luxurious or more expensive, so they just charge a little bit higher for that. Whereas like the premium one, those fragrances could cost anywhere from $260 to from $260 to $265, whereas the normal one, that is not the premium one, costs roughly around like $120 for the retail price. So it provides access to all scents without any additional fees, and you get a new case every month. Oh, that's a thing too. The whole reason that they created this was to help people find their match, help people find the perfect fragrance for them. So it eases, our lives. It's easier for us just to have somebody else pick it for us, and they're specialists and they just know like what you like and what you want to like, sort of thing. And it makes it a lot easier and saves you a lot of time and hassle. Cause girl, you got better things to do. Okay, so now it's time for me to show you my scents. So here is the box that you get, and right inside, this is 2 months, not one, but they just pop right out of here. And explore your senses, find your luxury, one fragrance at a time. This is a really nice box too, I'm just saying, like, I don't know why that's important to me, but I think it is. So here are the reusable canisters that they are talking about that I have referred to as well. That they give you quarterly, or if you're on the premium subscription, you would get monthly. And the perfume is already in there. If you were just to get the perfume, then you would just plop it right in, which I'll show you in a second. But you just twist it out to expose, and there it is. And then to take it out, here is the actual canister perfume. So if you were to getting the, normal standard $15 a month, this is what you would get every time that you have, something planned in your calendar. But this is what you would get quarterly. But if you were on the premium, then you would get both of these every single time that you ordered from month to month. So you just put her right back in there, and there she goes. Right? It's actually really easy, like super friendly or user friendly, and yeah, that's all it is. Like this is really sturdy and really nice as well, and I think it's really cute. So then here is the other one that I have too. So it's just kind of showing like the variety of the different colors for these reusable canisters that they have. Same thing, you just twist her. There she is. Hello. Hello. Okay, so this one also just pulls right out too. So that is everything for this little contraption. Oh, hello. I don't know why I'm so into saying that. It's not like I've even watched Medea here lately. Let's talk about the fragrances that I got because I'm super excited about these. So this one right here is Viva La Juicy Glace. Yes. By Juicy Couture. It smells really nice. It definitely smells like a more adult version of the normal Viva La Juicy, which I'm not against using the Viva La Juicy, but this one, definitely more grown up, and I really like that because I feel like I need more grown up scents in my life. Totally 100%. So this one right here is from Versace, and it is Bright Crystal. So this one has a very fresh scent to it, and it takes a couple of sniffs for me to enjoy it, but then I do. I feel like there's like a cucumber undertone or something like that as well. But I mean, now that it's dispersed into the air, I really like it. Like, I really like both of these. Luxury Scent Box did a great job with the first two. Okay, I'm like really obsessed with this. I just think that it's really cool and brilliant and like really nice to just be able to tuck this into your purse or into your bag, your carry-on, whatever it might be. And it's right there. Like, it's just so simple and easy to use. Like, great job. I think it's really cool. I think it's really cool and fascinating. So I guess just to clarify as well, normally instead of like these were just what was sent to me, like this is what they chose to send to me. Also in my box, when you would do it, you would have a list of their recommendations to choose from from taking that survey, or you could choose just from any that they have on their website and insert little guy right here, and here are all the scents that they have on their website. Like, there's a ton. So you have a lot to choose from, or if you get overwhelmed by those situations, then you could just go with the recommended ones that they have. This Viva La Juicy Glace one is one of their newer ones that they have on their website as well for you to choose from, just so you're aware. So they're adding, new fragrances and trying to keep it, on the up and up and not just the same things over and over. So anybody that is, one of their customers has plenty to choose from. They also do say that this little thingy, this little treble guy, is approximately 1 month's use of perfume. I'm guessing that that is using it every single day. So if you don't put perfume on every single day, and with this stuff, like, it's nice, it's luxury, it's high-end perfume, it's not like a body mist. At least these ones, they might have body mist. I don't know if they have that, but like, this isn't something that you just need to douse yourself in because it's not gonna last. Like, this stuff is going to last all day and all of that fun stuff. So you could maybe even make this last longer than a month, but what they recommend is that This is approximately 1 month's use, and you know, that's where you get a new one the next month. And you can get the same thing if you want, like $15. That's still a lot cheaper than what you're spending most of the time on high-end perfumes as well. Like those are hundreds, or just, you know, 100 plus, like too much for me, that's expensive. I do hope that you enjoyed this video, and if luxury scent box is something that you're interested in, definitely check out their website down below. The link will be in the description box, and if you're interested in signing up, don't forget to use the $5 off coupon by entering the promo code DannyLoons. Literally doesn't do anything for me, it is just for you, so you could get, you know, your first month $5 off, so only $10 as well, and free shipping, so that's a super awesome deal, and you should definitely check them out. If you liked this video, then make sure that you give it a big thumbs up for me. Go ahead, go like that. And please make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that little notification bell so you'll come in notified every single time that I post. Follow me on all of my social medias. The links are in the description box down below, and the handles are on the screen right now. And I will see you next time. Bye, guys!